up, YouTube? It's Fly Low Moto. Bringing you guys along for another ride today. Probably not going to be doing too much talking. Just feel like riding and vibing today. Everybody's been doing safe. I'm a part of a bunch of groups on YouTube, on Facebook, and I've been seeing a lot of people posting about accidents that they're having and how they're how they're done for the riding season. That sucks, man. I hate to see that shit. I really hate to see that. I've been there. Seeing other people out riding while you can't ride because you're injured or whatever. Fucking sucks. Alright, I'm skipping through here. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, like I said, I hope everybody's doing good. I'm trying to upload a little bit more often. I haven't been really going on too many rides as of recently, been real busy with work. Yeah, it's I really like riding during like sunset hours, during like the evening hours, but where I live, it's just so crowded. Crowded where I live, so I gotta be careful. I gotta be real careful. In fact, I'm not gonna go deeper into the city here. I'm gonna go take the highway. feel like dealing with the stopped traffic. Hey guys, so if you are new to the channel, I usually post pure sound videos, and just recently decided that I wanted to bring a little bit more to the channel. It's something that I really love. I love riding. I've been riding for a while, and I figured it was just time to take it up a notch. I want to develop good relationships with people, and get to know more people in the biker community, and not just stay completely anonymous. I mean, we are in Mexico. this so much. Like, I can't even explain it. I can't tell you what this does for me. If you ride, you know what I'm talking about, but I just can't explain it, how much better I feel when I get on this thing.